When summer hits triple digits, every fluid in your car works overtime. Ignore them, and you risk breakdowns, overheating, or worse. So here's your 13-point summer fluids checklist that every driver should go through to beat the heat and stay road ready. Let's get started. 1. Engine oil. Check level, color, and smell. Old oil can burn in summer heat. Make sure it's at the right level, golden in color, and doesn't smell burnt. If in doubt, change it. 2. Coolant. Check color and max line. Coolant should be bright green, orange, or pink depending on type, never brown or cloudy. Top off if needed, and make sure the system is sealed tight. 3. Windshield washer fluid. Use bug-specific summer mix. Regular washer fluid evaporates too quickly in the heat. Go for a bug-busting summer formula that cuts through grime without streaks. 4. Brake fluid. Check color and seal. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. If it looks dark or muddy, it's due for a flush, especially before mountain or highway driving. 5. Transmission fluid. Only check after it's warm. Your transmission fluid should be pink and smell clean. Check it hot and parked, not cold, and definitely not while idling in the sun. 6. Power steering fluid. Look for foaming or discoloration. Foaming in hot weather? That's air in the system. Top off and inspect hoses, especially near the pump where heat builds up. 7. Differential fluid. Easy to forget, expensive to replace. The fluid in your differential takes a beating in long summer drives. Check it for leaks and change it if it smells burnt or hasn't been serviced in years. 8. Transfer case fluid, a must for all-wheel drive and 4x4. Summer road trips with elevation or off-roading? Then your transfer case fluid needs to be in top shape. It keeps your drive system cool and balanced. 9. Clutch fluid, manual cars only. Manual transmissions rely on hydraulic clutch fluid. If it's dark, sludgy, or below the minimum line, flush it to avoid slipping under stress. 10. Fuel injector, cleaner additive. Use a bottle of injector cleaner every few tanks during summer. It keeps your combustion cleaner and more efficient, especially on long drives. 11th, AC system. Refrigerant pressure. Low refrigerant equals weak AC equals sweaty commutes. Use a gauge to check pressure. If it's low, recharge with the proper R134A or 1234YF refrigerant. 12th, washer nozzle hose. Check for cracks or detachment. If your washer fluid sprays weak or not at all, the hose might be split from heat. A quick inspection and replace the deteriorated hose is a must. 13th, check radiator hose. Check your radiator hoses for bulges, cracks, or leaks, especially near the clamps. Replace if soft or deteriorating to prevent overheating or roadside breakdowns. And there you have it. Summer stress exposes weak points. But now you've got 13 fluids and systems covered before they fail, so you can drive smarter, cooler, and without surprises. Give this video a like if you learned something new, subscribe for more no-fluff car tips, and drop a comment. Which fluid are you checking right after this video? Until next time, stay cool, stay prepared, and keep your car running like a champ.